Startup culture. More than just words on a wall, it's a way of life. Choosing co-founders and hiring your first employees are foundational steps. But what keeps these people together and helps them overcome the inevitable challenges of the startup journey? It's your company culture. Culture isn't a set of rules written in a corporate booklet. It's an unspoken code of conduct, shared values, beliefs, and an atmosphere that permeates every aspect of your work. It's the DNA of your startup, formed from day one. Think of culture as an invisible magnet that attracts the right people and repels those who don't fit. It dictates how people communicate, make decisions, handle mistakes, and celebrate successes. Your company's DNA, values, mission, vision. For many startup founders, these words sound like something from the world of large corporations, but in reality, they are critically important for small teams. They provide direction, meaning, and unity. Mission. This is why you exist. Your purpose, your main reason for being in the market. The mission should be inspiring and clear. For example, SpaceX's mission is to make humanity a multi-planetary species. This is much more than selling rockets. Vision. This is where you are going. What kind of world you want to create or what reality you want to transform your idea into in 5 to 10 years. Vision is your ambitious, long-term dream. For example, Microsoft's vision is a computer on every desk and in every home, running Microsoft software. Values. This is how you will achieve your mission and vision. These are the principles that define your behavior, decision-making, and interaction within the team and with clients. Values are your moral compass. For example, customer first, transparency, innovation, results-oriented, mutual respect. How to shape your culture. Start with yourself. Your culture is a reflection of your actions, not just your words. If you value transparency, be transparent. If you encourage initiative, give people the opportunity to show it. Involve the team. Don't impose values from above. Discuss them with co-founders and early employees. When people participate in creation, they feel a sense of belonging. Live your values. Integrate them into hiring processes. Look for those who share your values. Performance evaluations. Evaluate not just what's done, but how. And recognition. Reward those who embody the values. Real-life examples. Netflix built a culture on principles of freedom and responsibility, valuing high performance over hours worked. They even created the famous culture deck, which became a benchmark for many startups. Google, in its early days, cultivated a 20% time culture, allowing engineers to spend part of their work hours on personal projects. This led to the creation of Gmail and AdSense, emphasizing the value of innovation and autonomy. Startup culture isn't just a nice bonus. It's a powerful tool for attracting the best talent. People want to work where their values align with the company's, and increasing productivity. Happy and engaged employees perform better. Motivation and talent retention, more than just salary. Hiring star employees is only the beginning. It's much harder but no less important to retain them and keep them constantly motivated. In the highly competitive startup environment, where talent is priceless, salary alone is often not enough. Stock options and equity. Participation. What it is. Options give employees the right, but not the obligation, to buy company shares at a predetermined fixed price in the future. This allows them to become co-owners and directly benefit from the company's growth in value. Why it's important. This is a powerful motivator. Employees feel part of something bigger than just a job. Their personal financial success becomes directly tied to the startup's success. This is especially attractive to those willing to take risks for potentially large gains. Nuances. Options usually have vesting. They unlock gradually over several years. This retains employees, as they will only receive the full option package after a certain period, e.g., 4 years. Bonuses and benefits. Monetary bonuses. tied to achieving individual or team goals. Health insurance. In some regions, quality health insurance is not just a benefit, but an essential component of fair compensation. Flexible hours and remote work. Offering flexibility in work schedules or the option to work remotely is becoming an increasingly important factor in attracting and retaining talent. Learning and development. Investing in employees' professional growth, courses, conferences, certifications, shows that you value their development and are willing to invest in their future. Wellness programs. Caring for employees' health and well-being, gym memberships, psychological support, healthy office meals, contributes to their satisfaction and productivity. Non-financial incentives. Motivation from within. Autonomy and responsibility. Give employees the freedom to make decisions and responsibility for their projects. This stimulates initiative and a sense of ownership. Recognition and appreciation. Regularly acknowledge achievements. Praise good work. Sometimes a simple thank you or public recognition can be more powerful than a monetary bonus. Interesting tasks and opportunity to impact. For many talented individuals, it's important to work on meaningful projects and see how their contribution impacts the product and the company. Transparency. Share successes and failures, plans and challenges with the team. The more they know, the more they feel part of the whole. Work-life balance. Startups often require a lot of work, but it's also important to encourage rest, not overload the team, and create conditions for maintaining balance. Motivation and retention are continuous processes. It's important to regularly communicate with your team, listen to their needs, and adapt your approaches. Investing in your team is an investment in your future.